Good day or evening, dear participants. In this third lecture of Module 6, we are going to focus on opportunities for curriculum localization. Curriculum localization is a crucial concept that recognizes the significance of adapting educational content to align with a specific region or community's unique needs, contexts, and cultural backgrounds. It involves tailoring the curriculum to incorporate relevant local knowledge, values, languages, and experiences, fostering a sense of relevance and ownership among students. By embracing curriculum localization, educators can create a more inclusive and engaging learning environment that respects and celebrates the diversity of the students they serve, as Hajitabar argued in 2021. It allows for exploring local issues, traditions, and perspectives, providing students with a well-rounded education reflecting their own identities and fostering a deeper connection to their communities. Moreover, curriculum localization promotes a more holistic approach to education, encouraging the integration of local resources, community involvement, and recognition of the broader social, economic, and environmental factors that influence learning. The following are possible opportunities for curriculum localization. 1. Curriculum localization allows one to incorporate local cultural perspectives, traditions, and histories into the curriculum. It allows students to see them reflected in their learning materials, which can enhance their sense of identity, pride, and engagement in the educational process. 2. By localizing the curriculum, educators can include examples and case studies relevant to the local context. The local context helps students connect their learning to real-world experiences, challenges, and opportunities in their community, making the curriculum more meaningful and practical. 3. Localizing the curriculum allows for the adaptation of language to match the region's linguistic diversity. It ensures that students can access and engage with the curriculum in their native language or a language they are familiar with, promoting better understanding and participation. 4. Localizing the curriculum allows one to address and explore local issues, challenges, and opportunities within the educational context. The topics can include environmental sustainability, social justice, economic development, cultural preservation, and climate change, which are relevant to the community's needs and aspirations. 5. Curriculum localization can foster more robust partnerships between educational institutions and the local community. It encourages collaboration with community members, organizations, and experts who can contribute their knowledge, resources, and expertise to enrich the curriculum and provide authentic learning experiences for students. 6. Localization allows for integrating indigenous knowledge systems, practices, and perspectives into the curriculum. The integration of indigenous knowledge systems and practices helps preserve and promote the cultural heritage of indigenous communities, fostering respect, understanding, and appreciation among all students. 7. Localizing the curriculum provides an opportunity to align it with local industries, job markets, and vocational opportunities. It allows for the inclusion of skills and knowledge relevant to local career paths, preparing students for future employment within their region. 8. Localizing the curriculum can facilitate incorporating community-based learning experiences, such as field trips, internships, or service learning projects. These experiences connect students to their local environment, enabling them to apply their learning in real-world settings and develop a deeper understanding of their community. 9. Curriculum localization can encourage greater involvement and engagement from parents and the wider community. By incorporating local perspectives and issues, parents and community members may feel a stronger sense of ownership and investment in the curriculum, leading to increased support and collaboration. 10. Localizing the curriculum empowers educators and students to have a voice in shaping their educational experiences. It recognizes their unique knowledge, skills, and strengths, fostering a sense of agency, creativity, and ownership in the teaching and learning process. 11. By infusing the social and emotional learning in the school-based curriculum and the instructional practices with teachers explicitly teaching and modeling these skills and attitudes, learners develop skills related to self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making. The concept of curriculum localization is so powerful in such a way that educational institutions can create more relevant, inclusive, and meaningful learning experiences for students, strengthening their connection to their community and enhancing their overall educational outcomes. Let us look at governance, management, administration, and quality assurance of teaching and learning material development. Learning and teaching materials are crucial in quality education as they directly impact the teaching and learning process. They contribute to 1. Enhancing learners' engagement, 2. Supporting different learning styles, 3. Promoting understanding and retention, 4. Fostering critical thinking and problem solving, 5. Ensuring alignment with curriculum and standards, 6. Supporting teachers' instructional practices, and 7. Promoting equity and inclusion. In addition, the resources are crucial and should be used effectively by skilled teachers within a supportive educational environment. Teachers' pedagogical expertise and the school context are significant factors in ensuring quality education. Learning materials should be seen as tools that support and enhance the teaching and learning process, promoting active engagement, understanding, and the development of key competencies among students according to IIEP UNESCO in 2023. Here are some aspects related to governance, management, administration, and quality assurance of teaching and learning materials development. Governance. 1. Policy development, establishing policies and guidelines for developing teaching and learning materials, including objectives, standards, and ethical considerations. 2. Stakeholder engagement, involving relevant stakeholders such as educators, administrators, students, and parents in the decision-making process to ensure their perspectives are considered. 3. Compliance and legal framework, ensuring that the development of teaching and learning materials complies with legal and regulatory requirements, copyright laws, and intellectual property rights. Management. 1. Project planning, developing a comprehensive plan that outlines the objectives, timeline, resource allocation, and responsibilities for developing teaching and learning materials. 2. Resource management, efficiently allocating and managing resources, including personnel, budget, technology, and infrastructure to support the development process. 3. Collaboration and coordination, facilitating effective communication and collaboration among team members, subject matter experts, and other stakeholders involved in the development process. 4. Risk management, identifying and addressing potential risks and challenges that may arise during the development process and implementing mitigation strategies. Administration. 1. Documentation and record keeping, maintaining accurate and up-to-date documentation of the development process, including project plans, meeting minutes, decisions, and revisions. 2. Version control, implementing a system to manage different teaching and learning materials versions, ensuring that the most recent and accurate versions are used. 3. Distribution and access, developing a mechanism for distributing and providing access to teaching and learning materials, considering factors such as format, licensing, and accessibility requirements. 4. Evaluation and feedback, establishing processes for gathering feedback from teachers, students, and other users to continuously improve the quality and relevance of the materials. Quality assurance. 1. Content review, conducting thorough teaching and learning review materials to ensure accuracy, relevance, and alignment with curriculum standards and learning objectives. 2. Pedagogical soundness, assessing the instructional design and pedagogical approaches used in the materials to ensure they promote effective teaching and learning practices. 3. Accessibility and inclusivity, ensuring that teaching and learning materials are accessible to diverse learners, including those with disabilities or special needs. D. Continuous improvement, establishing mechanisms for ongoing monitoring, evaluation, and refinement of teaching and learning materials based on user feedback, research, and emerging trends in education. These aspects provide a broad framework for the governance, management, administration, and quality assurance of teaching and learning materials development. The specific implementation may vary depending on the context and educational institutions involved. Let us reflect. We discussed the concept and opportunities of curriculum localization, which involves adapting educational content to the local context and culture. It also outlines the aspects of governance, management, administration, and quality assurance of teaching and learning materials development. Now, what questions should we start asking ourselves? What comes to my immediate thinking is, 1. What are the benefits and opportunities of curriculum localization for students and educators in diverse contexts, including yours? 2. In your opinion and experience, what are some of the key aspects of quality assurance in developing teaching and learning materials, and why are they important? Reflect in writing on these 3 questions using the Gibbs Reflective Cycle Guide, which will be shared with you in this module. Compile your reflection in the e-journal available within the e-learning platform in use in this self-paced online course. Share your reflections with your colleagues at work and also share them on the Community of Practice platform, which will be shared with you. In conclusion, this lecture has introduced the concept and opportunities of curriculum localization, which involves adapting educational content to the local context and culture. It has also outlined the aspects of governance, management, administration, and quality assurance of teaching and learning materials development. These topics are essential for ensuring that the curriculum and the materials used in education are relevant, inclusive, and meaningful for students and educators. We hope that this lecture has stimulated your interest and curiosity in exploring these topics further and applying them to your own educational practice. If you have any questions or challenges with any of the concepts discussed in this lecture, please use the discussion forum of Module 6 under Lecture 4 to ask questions and answer other participants' questions as well. Thank you for your attention.